The next question says, it's about inflation. It said, with reference to the data above and your knowledge of economics, analyze the impact of inflation on individual in a country such as China. So first, what is inflation? Inflation is a persistent rise in the price of goods and services in an economy over a given period of time. So according to the data above, there's a rise in inflation rate to 2.8%. That's a high inflation rate there. So according to the data, which means when there's an increase in inflation rate, it means the purchasing power for consumers would fall. Because it said, how does it affect individuals in China? So a high inflation rate will affect the purchasing power of individuals. Why? Because their disposable income will fall. They won't be able to buy what they used to buy. So that means consumption would fall. And especially if their wage rate cannot be adjusted with inflation, that means the real wage is not increasing. There's the nominal wage and the real wage. The real wage is that wage that has been adjusted with inflation. So if there's increase in inflation rate, if inflation is increasing in the economy, the real wage must also increase. If not, the purchasing power for consumers would fall. They won't be able to buy what they used to buy. Is it clear? An increase in inflation rate may also bring about shoe leather cost. So people would have to, move around to find a bargaining price before they buy goods or services. Is it clear? So that's about inflation. Any question about inflation?